Upchain provides a full complement of out-of-the-box supplier management capability. To begin the process, we'll add prospective suppliers to this item. Note the list of suppliers here can be driven from an ERP system if desired. Now that we have added these prospective suppliers, I would like each of them to provide me with a quote. Upchain facilitates the RFQ process through the use of an RFQ-specific investigation request. I simply enter in the desired information, select the supplier of interest, and here at the bottom I can add supporting documentation. Let's add a standard RFQ form for SAMI supplier to fill out. Here is the email that SAMI just received. Note that the open link here is only valid for SAMI. No one else in the world can open that link. Let's log in as SAMI supplier. SAMI is presented with Upchain's Supplier Portal interface. The Supplier Portal is a lean interface which provides SAMI with just the right amount of information to review and respond to the RFQ. SAMI simply enters in the requested information. And remember the RFQ that we embedded into the process. Here it is. SAMI simply needs to check it out, fill in the info, and check it back in. Coming back into the main interface, we can see the information that SAMI entered into the Supplier Portal has automatically been populated and attached to the item.